Okay, now go ahead and add some condensed milk into the boiling water. I'm using 0.55 pounds of water and 1 can of condensed milk. My can of condensed milk is 14.10 ounces. Now stir well until dissolved. The process is very, very important for the recipe. After dissolving and stirring well, turn off the heat. Now put this mixture in a bowl. And now it is time to add a few more ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 egg. Now stir everything very well and quickly. Be careful not to cook the eggs. This is not an omelet. Now let's add the next ingredients. Add some salt. Add 1 cup of flour. Now stir again until a creamy mixture is formed, like that. And after mixing very well, this will be the correct texture. It's very important that your dough is super duper smooth. Now, if you need to, you can pass the dough through a sieve. This is the right texture that you should be looking for. Yep, just like this. Now we will turn the heat on and warm up your frying pan. Add a small amount of margarine. Now use just a small amount. We don't need too much margarine right now. Now grease the pan to put the batter in. And just use a small amount. And just make sure your dough is very thin at this step. The batter should be very thin, just like mine. And if it looks like this, then the batter should be quite good. Now this batter should cook down to about the size of a pancake. Like this. And shall we flip it? Give it a nice flip and wow, look at how beautiful it is. Now go ahead and flatten it very well in the pan. This dough is pretty fragile, so make sure to do it very carefully. This dough is also very wonderful and fragile, but very wonderful. Now wait to brown the other side. And after finishing, remove from heat and repeat the process with all of your dough. Now, the best part, add the chocolate. I'm just going to use some plain chocolate that's melted with a little bit of heavy cream. Now, you can replace the chocolate with fruit jelly, dulce de leche, or any other filling of your choice. And add a little powdered milk to give it a tiny bit more flavor, richness, creaminess. And then you just want to close the pancake just like that. And it becomes soft and creamy and juicy. And with the pancakes all filled, add the chocolate to give it a little decoration. And add a little more powdered milk. And this is your result, a very tasty little treat.